Hello everyone and welcome back. In this segment, we will focus on the organizational structure required by ISO 17020. A well-defined organizational structure is essential for ensuring the effective and impartial operation of inspection bodies. Importance of organizational structure. The organizational structure defined by ISO 17020 is crucial for several reasons. Ensures that all personnel understand their roles and responsibilities. Helps maintain impartiality and independence in inspection activities. Facilitates efficient and effective management of inspection processes. Having a clear and compliant organizational structure is foundational to the success of any inspection body. Key elements of organizational structure. ISO 17020 outlines specific requirements for the organizational structure of inspection bodies. Let's explore these key elements. Top management must demonstrate commitment to the implementation and maintenance of the management system. Roles, responsibilities, and authorities must be clearly defined and communicated within the organization. In some cases, an impartiality committee may be necessary to safeguard against conflicts of interest. These elements ensure that the organization operates smoothly and maintains its integrity. Management responsibility. Top management plays a critical role in the organizational structure. Here are their key responsibilities. Establishing and maintaining policies that support the objectives of the inspection body. Ensuring that adequate resources are available to carry out inspection activities effectively. Promoting a culture of continuous improvement within the organization. Management's commitment is crucial for the effective implementation of ISO 17020 requirements. Define role and responsibilities. Clearly defining roles and responsibilities is essential for ensuring that all tasks are assigned and individuals are accountable. Enhancing the efficiency of operations by eliminating overlaps and gaps in responsibilities. Improving communication and coordination among different parts of the organization. This clarity helps prevent misunderstanding and ensures that everyone knows what is expected of them. Impartiality and independence. Maintaining impartiality and independence is a core principle of ISO 17020. An impartiality committee can help monitor and manage potential conflicts of interests. Structures must ensure that inspection activities are not influenced by other interests within the organization. Clear policies must be in place to identify and mitigate conflicts of interest. These measures are essential for maintaining the credibility of inspection results. Resource management. Effective resource management is another critical aspect of organizational structure, ensuring that personnel are competent, adequately trained, and qualified for their roles. Providing the necessary equipment and facilities to support inspection activities. Allocating sufficient financial resources to maintain and improve inspection processes. Proper resource management supports the efficiency and effectiveness of the inspection body. Communication and reporting lines. Clear communication and reporting lines are essential for ensuring seamless coordination between different departments and functions. Maintaining transparency in operations and decision-making processes. Facilitating the quick resolution of issues and challenges. Effective communication helps in maintaining a well-organized and responsive inspection body. Continuous improvement. The organizational structure should support a culture of continuous improvement. Implementing mechanisms to collect and act on feedback from clients and stakeholders. Conducting regular reviews of processes and performance. Investing in ongoing training and development programs for personnel. Continuous improvement helps maintaining high standards and adapt to changing requirements. In conclusion, a well-defined organizational structure is critical for the successful implementation of ISO 17020. It ensures clear roles and responsibilities, maintains impartiality and independence, and supports continuous improvement. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions about the organizational structure, requirements of ISO 17020, or how to implement them in your organization, please feel free to ask now. Thank you.